If you run a wound care practice, you already know the documentation problem. 5 platforms, 3 generations of technology, 1 clinic trying to make it all work. Today, most clinics stitch together a wound EMR, an imaging app, an ambient scribe, and a billing module. 4 tools, 1 encounter. WoundScribe is the AI-native platform that unifies all of it. 1 workflow, not 4 tools. Wound care has lived through 3 decades and 4 waves of technology, but capability never came together in one place. Fragmentation is what your clinic inherited. It started with a paper ruler and an acetate tracing. Simple and universal, but the number on the chart depended on who held the ruler. Then came the camera, which finally let you see change over time, but a photo still couldn't tell you the measurement. Software learned to measure wound area from an image, which was a real leap, but the clinician still had to write the note afterward. Electronic records moved the chart online, but the burden didn't lift. The average clinician now spends over 2 hours a day charting after the last patient leaves. Here's where each platform actually sits across the wound documentation workflow, and only 1 column is filled all the way down. WoundScribe is the only platform that covers imaging, scribing, charting, coding, trajectory tracking, and 1 unified workflow. Inside WoundScribe, 6 purpose-built assistants handle the entire visit: imaging, scribing, charting, coding and billing, healing trajectory, and patient education. Point your phone at the wound and capture auto-adjust for lighting, angle, and border. No calibration sticker, no special lens. A specialty-trained scribe listens during the visit and turns the conversation into structured wound documentation. Charts are assembled from the encounter itself. Audit-ready, not retyped at the end of the day. 3 reasons this approach wins in wound care. It's built for your specialty, it replaces 4 tools with 1 workflow, and it gets smarter the more you use it. And because every visit captures structured wound data, image, tissue, treatment, healing rate, outcomes, your routine care quietly compounds into better recommendations at the point of care. For 30 years, 50% area reduction at 4 weeks has been the benchmark. Not wrong, just incomplete, because everything needed to do better wasn't yet available. And the results so far are real. Peer-reviewed studies show 98% accuracy on patient education and 0 hallucinations across SOAP notes and visit summaries. 0 hallucinations, the single biggest concern clinicians raise about ambient AI. So if you want 1 AI-native platform for the entire wound encounter, book a demo at woundscribe.ai and watch your next chart write itself.